Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Learn a Trade channel. My name is Kevin Tate, bringing you episode 4 of the Cornelius-ABS 2.0 installation series. This video is titled IP address setup.
Here's a quick video of the IP address setup. So as you can see here, you want to press menu, select technician, press 9876. And this will get us into unit setup. Select NP6 server setup. Enter the IP address provided. 10 and 88, as you can see here, will not change. That's standard in all ABS 2.0. So whatever combination of numbers as they give you, that's the numbers you're going to be changing here in the middle. Press the save icon and press yes in the confirmation. And at this moment, the application will restart for it. It will want to sync with the POS system network. Here's a quick video of the ICE calibration. So as you can see here, you increase or decrease time depending on what you need to adjust your portion of ice. As you can see here, those are the indicators that I mentioned before. Your first indicator there, that's your regular ice, and that's how you adjust your regular ice portions for your cup sizes. Each cup sizes has their own indicator. Here's a quick video of a valve purge. Actually, we had a unit in front of us. So you have our valve controls here, or our valve bank here. And then we have here on top is our high flow control, and the bottom we have our low flow control. This whole valve bank is water. So green is high, blue is low. So this video is actually starting off through the serve valve purging process. So if you select a serve to be purging out, you'll be purging out nothing but serve through the ABS 2.0. If you jump to the water valve purging, this is where you're going to be purging out nothing but water. You want to start off with purging your high, then proceed with purging out your low. And then the same thing for plain water, purge out your other, since you have individually purged out each one of them individually.